Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to reverse your TikTok video. To reverse your TikTok video on your device, follow these easy steps. Open the TikTok app on your Android device. Tap the plus or create button at the bottom of the screen. Record a new video by tapping the record button. Then tap on the check button. Tap next. Then choose effects at the right corner of the editing screen. Then navigate to the time effect category. And here, choose the reverse effect. This will play your video backward. Tap save to apply the effect. Then tap next. Here, add captions or music if needed. Then post your reversed video. This method lets you easily reverse your TikTok videos directly from the app. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.